Jennifer Hudson, the multi-award-winning artist, has announced her participation in the stage musical adaptation of the TV show Smash. Set to arrive on Broadway in 2025, the musical will be produced by a talented team including Steven Spielberg and Meron. Jennifer Hudson will reunite with composers Marc Shaiman and Scott Wittman, as well as producers Robert Greenblatt and Meron, who worked together on Hairspray Live. The production will be directed by Susan Stroman, with a score featuring songs from the TV show and new material. The musical's book will be co-written by Elice and Bob Martin, and Joshua Bergasse will choreograph. The stage adaptation will follow the process of mounting Bombshell, the musical within the TV show, but is expected to deviate from the original series. The creative team has already held workshop presentations, and casting for the Broadway production is yet to be announced. Jennifer Hudson's involvement adds excitement and anticipation for the musical's debut on Broadway.